Hey guys, what's going on YouTube? It's Top Vlogger 555 here and back with another video. And today we're at the airport again on a trip to go to Taipei or in Taiwan. Here we are. We're going to the gates really fast because we're in a hurry right now. So I'm just going to meet up with my the friends. Yeah, BG. There, we're gonna fly. So do you think we're gonna be vlogging every day, single this for the until May 1? So classmates, if you're watching this video right now, I'm not gonna be able to go to the recognition day because I'm still in Taiwan. Okay, so I'm not going to be going there. But we're running fast. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, we're here now. Just wait. Dad, where are we going? Okay, guys. This is it. Oh my god. Oh. Sorry, guys, for that. Okay. We're still in the Philippines right now, and we're going now. So the next video will be later. After a few hours, we will arrive there, and that will be day 1. But now it's still day 0 because we're still going to the plane. So see you guys in Japan in day 1 after a few hours. Bye.